Okay, I'm here with Juan. He's the co-founder, one of the founders of Bear Robotics. Juan, how are you?
I'm doing well. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. Thank you so much for coming by, and we're really looking forward to speaking to you about all the latest and greatest things that we're actually working on right now to hopefully really change the future of work for the restaurant industry.
Indeed. Well, it's a pleasure to be here and meet you. I love what you're doing here at the show. It's a great display. And for all of you who are still going to come down and who are receiving this message on Sunday, come on down to the North Hall, exhibit 6238, and visit with Juan. He's going to tell you all about these wonderful robots he has here. So talk to us a little bit about what's in front of us right now.
What you have in front of you is a new product we have called ServiLift. And ServiLift is a product that's going to be going up and down elevators to deliver everything from your DoorDash orders, to your Uber Eats orders, to your groceries, to your Amazon packages, to your FedEx packages, and it's even going to carry things. It's actually got a pretty big space to carry a lot of different things. It's got 4 different compartments, so it can go from room to room. If it's a hotel, it can go to it will be able to deliver anything and everything from your McDonald's packages to even your coffees, right to your conference room or even to your cubicle. So what it will allow is really an integration of both your food ordering to your delivery. And it's really kind of meant to be, a lot of people talk about last mile delivery, so this is kind of like the last half mile delivery of everything inside of a building. So we're able to basically going to become your indoor Uber or your indoor Uber Eats, essentially, within the 4 walls of a building in a multi-story capability.
That's just awesome. Here it is again there. Laura, take a shot of it again with the doors opening up here. That's really cool. Look at that. That's fantastic, isn't it? I just love the functionality of this. The engineering is magnificent.
Thank you very much. I mean, the way of how things are going in the future, everything will be very super connected and very smart. Smart buildings, smart cities. So our robots will not only tie in directly to elevators, but they'll actually be able to tie back into what you're doing directly too, obviously, as you order things or as you need things. So you'll be able to call them for anything and everything to come pick up things or deliver things to you. In the food space, it's really important because a lot of times now, when things are delivered, especially your food, it's kind of left downstairs for a lobby attendant to have to basically tell you to come pick it up or them to have to bring it to you. Those menial tasks essentially are now going to be taken by robots because it's a task that a human doesn't really want to have to do anymore, and so automation plays really, really well in those situations where it's a task that we don't want to do anymore, so it's a task that you want to use a tool for. Very similar to kind of like how the dishwasher was good for dishwashers. These are going to be very good for mankind in general because it's going to take on the tasks that we really prefer to hand off to tools to use.
Yeah, I tell you, between ChatGPT and artificial intelligence and robotics coming to where it is, well, we can always enjoy good food as humans anyway.
That's a good point because a lot of what's been talked about recently, remember ChatGPT has been introduced only about 18 to 20 weeks ago, and imagine the splash that it's making. So artificial intelligence, even with the combination of robotics, will be certainly probably one of the biggest things to come in our lifetime. And we certainly know that because it's going to really change the way that we do things daily. And every interaction that you have, whether it's on your phone in your workplace, or even how you use these tools, we really hope that it's all meant to basically make us more efficient and improve mankind, hopefully.
That's fantastic stuff. Well, let's talk about the restaurant application.
Sure, absolutely.
Should we walk over?
Sure, yeah, absolutely.
Let's do that. We have this guy here. Tell us a little bit about what this man is doing.
Sure. So what you have here is our new product called ServiPlus. And ServiPlus, one of the greatest benefits of it, as you can see, it's able to go up as high as a 7-degree ramp. And in the US, you have the Americans with Disabilities Act, which is you have to, typically a ramp has to be at a minimum of 5 degrees, and this can actually handle up to 7 degrees. We designed this in a very similar way that the Mars rover base was actually designed. As you can see, it's able to go through not only different types of flooring, you've got wood flooring, you've got tile flooring, you even have carpeting.
A variety of surfaces.
And so we're able to actually enclose things, so if it's going through a very public space, food can be enclosed.
Yeah.
It's able to carry quite a bit. It can carry nearly 60 to 20 dishes. It can carry up to 88 pounds. It's kind of a little mini beast if you think about it. It's like an SUV version of our initial product called Servi. And it's really great because the stability on it allows us to really carry all kinds of things, including liquids. We've even carried nearly an entirely full pint of beer going up and down a ramp, believe it or not.
Oh, wow.
The stability for liquid delivery is really important because, as you know, in the food space, the menus of most items, you have more than 50% of how a restaurant really makes their money sometimes is based on not only it could be the drinks that they sell and things like that. So you want to be able to actually do that, especially with this type of a solution.
Yeah.
So it's really important for us to be able to deliver liquids in a very safe way, and this is catered towards that, so we can actually deliver pretty much everything on the menu.
It's a key profit center for sure, and that helps with that. So, okay. So again, for the restaurant owner now, entertaining something like this, what would you suggest they pick up here? What this machine here? How does this work?
Sure. I think what we have. This also, as you can see, is this is the version that does not have the enclosure on it. So